In this video, I will be reciting Alpha Affirmations. Repeat after me. I am a leader. I have a powerful voice. I am independent. I am empowered. I am enough. I am confident. I am courageous. I can handle any challenge that comes my way. I will take on the world. I can do anything I set my mind to. I am comfortable in my own skin. I am worthy of a future. I am doing my best. I deserve what I need. I deserve to be happy. Being confident is in my blood. I can connect and relate to people. Socializing has never been a challenge for me. I maintain my composure in stressful times. I am certain in myself. I feel strong and valuable. I have strength and confidence. I am abundant. I am always safe. I am always good enough. I deserve the best life has to offer. I am blessed. I deserve to be successful. I courageously work toward my goals. I'm a natural leader. I serve as a model for others. Every time I encounter a stressful situation, I remain composed and stress-free. I am a strong, capable person. I respect myself. I am deserving of good things that happen to me. My opinions matter. I deserve to be happy. I constantly achieve my goals. My ideal existence is getting closer to reality. Every day I become stronger. Each day my confidence grows. I can do anything I put my mind to. I am strong, capable, and worthy. I am confident. I am powerful. I am in charge. I am the leader. I am not afraid. I can do anything. I am unique. I have a strong voice. I am confident in who I am. I am happy with what I have achieved. I am calm and confident. I am powerful and in charge. I am at ease and composed. I am attracting more and more of what I want. I am in the right place at the right time. My desires are manifesting quickly. I am letting go of fear. I'm appreciative of how far I've come. I'm drawn to power and wealth. I am going to be successful. I steer my own course. I am the best version of myself. I have everything I need to succeed. I am the master of my destiny. I can achieve my goals. I can be an example to others. I am the boss. I'm self-sufficient. I feel optimistic. I have bravery. Any difficulty that comes my way, I can manage it. I'll go up against the world. Anything is possible for me. I feel at ease with my own flesh. I deserve a future. I am deserving of joy. Confidence runs in my family. In intense situations, I remain calm. I have faith in myself. I feel valuable and powerful. I am courageous and self-assured. Repeat the affirmations. Take care.